knows that Bruce Johnson is a fifth-round guy or a little bit later. What does that say about what Miami?
Okay, I'm recording nothingness.
You know, we're used to seeing him have several draft picks. And 14 straight years in the first-round draft pick. Yeah, they won't have one this year.
Come on, Jay, take him down. Take him down.
Klaji, I'm just waiting for you to do something. Come on, boy.
Draftable guy down back and Bruce Johnson of Miami.
Well, the good news for the Canes is that you see all the freshmen.
Jay wears Hayes underwear.
See what Aaron's done with highlighting some of the freshman receivers. Number one recruit.
Okay, now tell him what to do.
No.
He's getting your leg, Jay. He's doing something. He's going to flip you. Don't let him flip you. Don't let him flip you. Come on, Jay, resist. Oh, no. Is that the cradle? That's the cradle. See, it gets your shoulders on the ground. Dale, your arm's under. You can't get his shoulder on the ground. His shoulder's not on the ground. Is that an escape or you let him up? I don't know. I don't even know how he can breathe.
It's like a workout, isn't it? Especially if they're strong. Look at them.
Oh, ouch!
You're back to there.
That looks like it hurts, man.
Yeah, it hurts.
Uncle, say uncle.
Mason was crying.
What?
That Cammy didn't want him to have a ginger ale, and I put one in my back pocket. I flipped into it and hit him in the head.
After I keep working on it.
Chuck, what are you next? That Dale's pretty strong, man.
No, he just knows the right moves.
What? You guys
Get to your
win out,
stomach.
man.
That's right, the arch that hip.
One. That's my pocket part.
Oh,